para kay Boss John Mark. So 303A Pit Viper John Wick 4 ng double bell. So metal slide na yan, metal yung frame, naka staple yung grip, and then may TTI markings dun sa slide. So naka fiber optic sights, front and rear sight, base plate TTI, magwell TTI, adjustable trigger. So compensator is non-threaded. Okay, so ayan. So may under rail na rin siya for attachment. Price is budget meal, 4,900. Check nyo na lang sa Google Drive natin. FB page natin, Mavs Hobby Shop. Okay, test natin. So for details, PM na lang kayo sa page namin guys. Thank you kay Bossing.